Recently, I was approached by Omnisend to make a video about their plugin. It claims to be the easiest, most simple to use email marketing, newsletter, SMS marketing, and automation plugin for WooCommerce. So I thought, what better way to test this out than give it to two complete WordPress beginners? So I enlisted the help of Meg, my eldest daughter, and Lily, my middle daughter, and gave them 10 minutes to see if they could set it up and get it working. And here's what happened.
Bye! Oh, we sound the same. Gonna set the 10-minute timer.
Oh, sorry to interrupt. We asked them to do two things. One, create a pop-up on a website that will collect an email. And secondly, to actually create an email campaign. All right, let's get back to it.
Is that how you
No.
That's how
So
you
firstly. Wait, so what are we
need to
doing?
install the plugin.
Oh yeah. Haven't we already done that? Oh, I have done this before actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a pro. Yes.
I'm here. Omnisend for Woo. That was so easy.
What?
I don't even have to log in. I think it's
Oh,
just
okay,
wait
cool.
upload.
Bro.
It's on the desk.
Wait, what are you trying to do?
Find the brand logo there.
So this is our pizza restaurant / fashion site.
It's a fashion site, but you may think it's a pizza restaurant from
We could also have pizza in the.
with every dress you get.
With every dress you get free pizza. So why don't
I don't know.
pick
Where's
loads?
next? Oh, doors.
Select. Obviously, Megan. So silly.
At this point, they became obsessed with choosing colours.
Ooh. No.
No. You make any suggestions?
Let's actually do it like pizza. Let's do it
Blue?
green.
Oh, Italy.
Like Italy, yeah.
It's enough.
See?
Mm,
That looks a bit like. No, actually, it looks too cringe.
this is gonna be the whole video. Which colour? Maybe like a. No.
No, it's a red. You can't do
What goes
purple
well
and
with
red. No, ew.
I
That's
think the black was
disgusting.
too much.
Oh, Megan, what are you
Look,
doing?
look.
Okay, we'll try white then. No. Oh, that's.
Maybe. This is so unimportant. This stuff.
No, it's not Megan's.
Oh,
it's
you-
your brand.
I was like, they all look the same. It's because they're not telling you. You just have to know, I guess, what fonts are.
Yeah, because
You do.
you hit 20 and you automatically know what all the fonts are.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
That's the thumbnail.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so we need to. Okay.
Oh my god, that looks so good. High five me.
On
Dap me
camera.
up, bro.
Not
Oh, we got 10 minutes. I forgot. No, I literally forgot.
5 minutes.
Mate, hurry up.
Well, is this not what we need? Like, do you want to customize any of this? Because I kind of like all these.
No,
colours.
I like all of it.
Yeah.
I like every single thing about it. And that's that.
Well, yeah, we want that.
That's
We want
what we were like, oh, how do we do it?
that. Yeah, so.
Set up and welcome workflow. They clearly didn't take time with their fonts.
They
They
clearly-
would use lime
This is a
green.
website clearly built by 19-year-olds that haven't reached 20 and don't know their favourite font yet.
There's a wasp in here.
So it
Oh,
works.
this is so easy. I feel like
Yeah, this is really easy.
I.
Oh, poor thing. I think that was. I think that exact wasp was stuck in our kitchen earlier.
Oh my god.
How do I get back to the website, Lily?
What website? Our
Our
website.
website.
Now what do we do?
We need to refresh the website. Go
Okay.
to the website. Visit site.
Refresh it. Yay! Teamwork. What were you about to say?
You like held my hand. Right, we've got 2 minutes left. Is that everything we needed to
I'm
do?
pretty sure. That's great.
Should we have customized the email? Maybe.
Oh, were we supposed to do that?
I think.
Great email. Yeah.
No, but we've done the.
Yeah, but we need to know what it's gonna say, surely.
Yeah.
Click on that, see what it does.
Oh,
See?
actually.
She just always knows everything.
Well, Wow. Oh,
It's supposed to be capitals.
yeah.
That's not very professional, Megan.
They have an AI.
Oh damn. That one's a bit more sensible.
Yeah.
Send his email address. I guess. It's the only one we can pick. Pre-header.
Short text that follows the subject. How long have we?
Okay, quick.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Rest.
For
You.
pizza dress. Pizza dress. That can't be. You get a pizza dress. You get a pizza dress.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's quite cool. She's email recipients. Yeah,
All subscribers.
yeah. Yeah, but we get extra time because the wasp distracted us. Yes.
Okay.
Yay!
I think that's it.
That was really easy.
That was really easy. Done.
Done.
I think. I hope.
Just for you guys out there, this is a choreographed dance routine. What we do. Oh no, wait, go on for a sec. You're welcome.
So after all that, they actually did really, really well. They got things set up in no time at all. I will put a link in the description to OmniSend. A big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. If you can hit the like button now, it'd be fantastic because it really does help spread the word of this video. And also every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. There's going to be more Meg and Lily and Hetty challenges coming up soon on the channel, so subscribe if you want to see those. Keep well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.